Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and we're talking beachfront paradise, family-owned restaurants today, and pure relaxation. That's right. Well, this is what our water looks like sometimes, and it hadn't been too bad in July. In fact, starting about the 4th, it's laid down a little bit. We've got some green water here and there, and it's just been a good time for family fun. But when you come down here, you don't want to have to cook. And today we're going to talk about a new platter that Jose's Cajun Seafood and Steaks has. In fact, the other day he came over and said, David, y'all got to try this platter. A group of us had gone in there and he brought it out. We were all licking our fingers when we were done. This platter is a boiler platter, and it comes with locally caught boiled shrimp, locally caught blue crab if you order them, and then snow crab, along with corn and potatoes, and it's fabulous. They've got several. Some come with just snow crab, some come with a combination of blue and snow. But if you're looking for a true seafood platter, a boiler platter, that seafood boiler platter can't be beat. You know, our 27 miles of beachfront's what everyone comes down for, to relax, our custom-built vacation rentals, and then our family-owned restaurants. But Jose's isn't just boiler platters. They're also lunch specials. And daily, when they're open, they have some awesome lunch specials that are big enough just about for 2 people. And so Thursdays is my favorite when they have the grilled shrimp nachos. Or at least I get the grilled shrimp. Then they've got tacos and a lot of things. But when you're down here looking to get out, not having to cook, Jose's Cajun Seafood and Steakhouse is a place to be. And don't worry, on weekends, on Friday, Saturdays, and Sundays, starting at 9 a.m., they also have an awesome breakfast. And so if you're on your way down to the beach and you want to grab a quick bite, stop by Jose's Cajun Seafood and Steakhouse and enjoy a great breakfast made fresh to order. So anyway, just wanted to say hi to everyone. Thank you to everyone that's been coming down. Thank you to everyone that has enjoyed our 27 miles of beachfront. But there's still plenty of time to get down here and enjoy 27 miles of beachfront, the sand between your toes, the coastal breeze in your hair, and just living the coastal life and feeling those coastal vibes. For more information, or if you can't make it down and want to see just what the beach looks like, you can visit our website at www.bolivarpeninsulatexas.com, where you can find your vacation rental, a place to eat, a little information on area businesses, Texas history, and more. Plus, you can see Bolivar Peninsula live through our 9 live webcams. Oh, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you here beachfront on the upper Texas coast. Paradise in disguise. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula in 2026. God bless and bye-bye. Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors. Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live.